Hello everyone. Today we have KAESER SM12T. It's a 7.5 kilowatt square compressor with integrated air dryer. It's this compressor. It's actually in really good shape. The last time it's serviced by this company in 2020. It's 10 bar square compressor, and it has a total 4,500 hours and only 2,500 hours under load. So the service is done by this company and it's left 2,769 hours until regular maintenance. So actually we have a service history for this compressor, and it says that on this date it's change oil filter, oil separator on 4284, so just before 300 hours. So that's it. So let's start up and see how it's working. So let's check for the oil leaks. As far as I can see, everything is dry and good. So that's it. Let's check this out. It's a 2006 square compressor, but only with 4,500 hours. So that's it, and good luck on your beds. Thank you.